Hello guys, in this video we are going to compare Phantom Wallet versus Coinbase Wallet. So we are going to check right here what is the best. So here we are going to compare our Phantom right here. So let's just don't allow paste right there. Phantom and our Coinbase Wallet. So what are the differences? So first off, let's start with our Phantom. So Phantom supports multiple networks, but not all networks are available right here. So let's just view all the networks that are available. So active networks, we have Ethereum based Polygon and Bitcoin for networks. Next, we go to our own Coinbase right here. Let's press receive so we can see our own addresses and what we can receive and networks. So we have Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, and Tron. So other assets are also listed right here with Litecoin and Dogecoin. So if you plan to actually hold mainly Bitcoin or Tron or even just other assets such as Litecoin or Dogecoin, you would go with your Coinbase. But if you want to actually hold Solana primarily, I would suggest you use your own actual Phantom. Phantom is known for using its Solana network capabilities, which is really easy to use, which why I use it also. So as you can see, Phantom is also just sleek in design, easy to understand with your receive button right here, with your Solana address, your Ethereum address right here, your base address, your Polygon address, your Bitcoin address, ready to be just saved and sent. So you can also buy right here Solana, Ethereum, Polygon, and USDC, and many much more. So there's a wide variety of tokens you can choose from. Here in Coinbase, you can receive or buy using your own actual. Okay, so hold on. So you can buy using this. So you can add crypto right here. You can select your network. So you have your, again, base Ethereum, Bitcoin, Optimism, Avalanche, Polygon, Arbitrum, Solana, Litecoin, Dogecoin, BNB, and Phantom. So you can buy either of those. So if you're going to buy Solana right here, I suggest you use your Coinbase wallet for buying your cryptocurrency because I have a friend who are actually buying using Coinbase and not really with Phantom because Phantom has higher fees because you have more options right here with providers rather than going with your own Phantom wallet and then going to buy Solana right here. So let's just say 2000 Solana. It's gonna load the code right here. It's gonna use MoonPay or any of these, but they have lower codes rather than using your Coinbase, which has better codes when buying. So there you go, guys. I would choose your Phantom for Solana and Coinbase wallet for anything else. They both work the same, but I choose Phantom anytime, anywhere. So there you go, guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.